Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from MSc entrance examinations. The question for today's video is from JNU entrance for biotechnology 2018. Which of the following antibiotic is an inhibitor of RNA synthesis? The options are tetracycline, streptomycin, bacitracin or rifamycin. So we will see the mode of action of these antibiotics and find the answer for the question. So what are antibiotics? These are a low molecular weight antimicrobial agents. These are basically synthesized by the microorganism to inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Here, Streptomyces species produces the antibiotics which we can isolate are tetracycline, streptomycin and rifamycin. Secondly, from the Bacillus species, we can have a bacitracin antibiotic for our use. These antibiotics can have a sedal effect or it can be having static effect. What is mean by sedal effect? Sedal effect means when the growth of organism is totally stopped. That is called sedal, like we call as a bactericidal. Secondly, when static effect is there, the growth is just inhibited. It is not stopped. The rate of growth is inhibited in case of bacteriostatic antibiotic. Here, different antibiotics have their different mode of action. Some antibiotics works on a cell wall. Some antibiotics works to inhibit the protein synthesis. Some disrupt the functioning of the nucleus. So in this way, the mode of action differs according to the antibiotic. Now coming to the options, in our option tetracycline and streptomycin is given. These two antibiotics inhibits the protein synthesis. In case of tetracycline, it has mode of action on A site of ribosome to inhibit the protein synthesis, whereas streptomycin works on the 30S ribosome subunit and ultimately inhibits the protein synthesis. Now let's see what about other two options. Now here option C, bacitracin, this is involved in inhibiting the cell wall synthesis and rifamycin is there to bind with a beta subunit of RNA polymerase. So with this discussion we find that rifamycin is the antibiotic which inhibits the RNA synthesis. So the option D is the correct answer for this question. Now let's have a question for my next video. The question is from JNU Biotechnology Entrance 2018. A major class of non-translated RNA function in regulation of gene expression by base pairing to mRNA-E's. Options are rRNA, antisense RNA, regulatory RNA or small nuclear RNA. We will solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.